Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create an emoji particle animation like this in After Effects. No plugins, it's very easy and let's get started. Okay, first I'll create a new composition and I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to layer, no solid, and I'll name it background. Then hit OK. Go to effect and generate. Then I'll choose for color gradient. Choose your colors. This one and hit OK. Something like this color and OK and blue. Then I'll go to blend and I'll increase it. Yeah. Okay, this is very good. Now create a new composition and I'll change width to 200. Also height I'll change it to 200 and let me name it emoji or emojis. Then I'll hit OK. Okay, now I'll go to file and import your images. I'll choose some of them, drag and drop, press S to decrease it like this. Straight. Okay. 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 Now I'll press Alt and close square bracket like this, but make sure that you are on the first frame. So now we have these layers, just one frame like this. Then select them all. Right click. I'll go to keyframe assistant and sequence layer and see. Okay. Now we have a sequence layer. And I'll go to last one. Then I'll press N. Okay. And I'll go here, right click, and I'll go to trim come to work area like this and see. Yeah. Okay, so now let me go to this one. I want to increase it. So press S. I'll go here. I'll press S to increase it. Also here, press S and yeah, press S. Also here, I'll press S. Yeah, and last one. Okay, this is very good. Now I'll go to my composition and I'll go to emojis and drag and drop. Okay, so let me go here and right click, time, and enable time remapping. Click. Then I'll go just one frame, keyframe here, and I'll remove this one. Okay, I'll go to time remap, alt click, and I'll type move. Yeah, this one. Okay, and I'll go here and drag your layer to last frame. Okay, Now we have a very good. Okay, so let me hide this. Go to layer, new solid, and I'll name it particle. Then hit OK. Go to fix and presets and type cc particle wall. Double click or drag and drop on your particle solid. Okay, this is very good. So I'll go to birth rate. I'll change birth rate just right now to 0.1. Also longevity, I'll change it to 25. Okay, and I'll open particle. I'll go to opacity map and click on your mouse in this line like this and see. Okay, now I'll go to producer, radius X, increase it like this. Okay, and I don't need any radius Y, change it to 0, radius Z also 0, and yeah, this is very good. Okay, go to physics and I'll change animation to cone axis. Okay, I'll change velocity to 0.15 and gravity I'll change it to 0. Okay, yeah, now take this line and put it down. You see this? Yeah. Okay, this is very good. So now I'll go to particle type, set line to textured square. Okay, open texture, set none to emojis. Okay, go to current, change it to birth. Let's see. And now I'll go to birth. Birth size, I'll change it to 0.550. Also, death size, I'll change it to 0.550, and that's all. Oh, that's all. Yeah. Oh, it's very easy. So this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.